Hello humans, Seyeren here, and in today's video we're going to be reviewing the HaruHaru Wonder Black Rice Serum. What? So I'm really excited to review today's product because this is a product that I sell on Beautytap.com. What's Beautytap.com? You don't know what Beautytap.com is? Haven't you watched any of my videos? Oh wait, that was you get the point. Go check it out. Description, it's in there. All the information you need. Go follow me. I'll be your beauty guru. I'll give you tips on skincare and all that good stuff. Make your skin nice. Feel good about yourself. Hashtag self-care Wednesday. Let's get it. A yeet. Okay, I'm gonna stop that. I really don't like that. We do self-care Wednesdays here on this channel where we just take a step back from the craziness of the work week and we remember that we need to put ourselves first sometimes, and we pamper, I don't know what that means, but we pamper ourselves. I usually don't like things that have essential oils or have additive fragrances just because my skin is very sensitive, and it breaks out at the drop of a dime. I caved. I saw this. I thought it was very aesthetically pleasing. It's like shiny, and I love shiny. So I thought, why not? You know, it's something that I've heard a lot of good things about, black rice specifically. So I figured I'd try it out for myself. Now, as I was researching this product, I found that the HaruHaru Wonder Black Rice Serum is 30 milliliters for $26. Now that can seem quite pricey for some people. It's not too much of a product. Because it packs such a punch, I would use this every other day. You don't really have to use it every day if you have a nice moisturizer, but it definitely packs the punch. It is worth the price. I'm telling you here and now. It has a lavender oil that is the cause of the smell. It smells very nice and luxurious. I like to use it at night because lavender really helps me relax and get in that relaxing mind frame. But the lavender oil really helps soothe your skin while soothing your mind. It's relaxing and calming, so it's great for a PM skincare routine. It also is antioxidant rich. It's mildly acidic in pH to help balance the skin after cleansing, because sometimes certain cleansers will strip your skin and your pH balance is kind of thrown off whack. So this product comes in and brings back some of the pH level. But this product contains black rice extract, which is really good for helping redness, helping calm redness, irritation, and helping soothe the skin. I've read a lot of people in Korean skincare talking about black rice, just rice in general, and the healing properties that it has to the skin and helping bring back a nice softness to the skin. And I can 100% testify after using this product for about a month that it has really helped soften my skin. It's helped soothe my skin and my anxiety. I did not expect that. I actually have to use this before bed sometimes, or else I can't sleep because just the lavender helps soothe me, and it's on my face, so I'm constantly smelling it. It also contains aloe vera extract, which is really good for healing damaged skin. So if you are acne prone, if you have capillaries that you've bursted, if you have stretch marks, if you have any kind of scarring on your face, the aloe vera extract in this product will really help reduce the scarring, and it'll really help heal that skin and get it back to where it was before. The product is really good. It's 95% naturally derived. Someone like me really enjoys that in my skincare because I like to use more naturally derived products, because the more chemically derived products usually break my face out. It says fermented black rice and bamboo shoots. HaruHaru Wonder Black Rice Serum is a pure blend of naturally fermented black rice and bamboo shoot extracts. It provides a boost of antioxidant rich nourishment to your daily face for amplified perfection, protection. It's perfect travel size too, and it's the packaging is very sturdy, so I wouldn't be worried about it getting bumped around. The cap stays on very well and protects the pump, so you're not going to get it leaked all over your bag if you're, say, going on vacation, or you want something that you can bring with you to add a nice layer of moisture and protection to your skin, especially if you're going to be out in the sun. It is summer. This adds a really nice layer of protection to the skin without being too heavy like some sunscreens are. Now, I'm not saying this is SPF. It is not. Don't get me wrong. Don't go and purchase this and say, well, Seyeren said that it was SPF. So that's not what I'm saying. It is helpful like SPF, but I would always suggest to use SPF no matter what. If you are going outside, you put some SPF on your face. Just do it. I know sometimes it sucks, it hurts. You just gotta find the right one. And your girl found a pretty good one. So stay tuned to see that one in a video later on. But anyways, this is the packaging. It's very pretty. It's very slick. So without further ado, let's squirt some of this into my hand. So it's very watery, as you can see. Some people prefer products that are a little more cream-based, especially if they have more dry skin. But me, being the weirdo that I am, I have combination to dry skin, but I also love products that are more water-based. So this product is definitely up my alley. You smell the lavender right away. So if you're someone that doesn't enjoy lavender, I would suggest staying away from this product. But if lavender is your thing, if you're like my mom and you're obsessed with lavender, you should get it. Because not only does it feel amazing on the skin, it's so light. It's one of the lightest serums I think I've ever used in my life. It smells so good. I just want to smell my skin all day. Because not only is it just like the scent, but it gives a lot of added benefits to the skin, and I definitely am glad that I got it. I actually have 2 serums, of course. Knowing me, that's just how I roll. I like to get multiples of things, and since my mom really enjoys lavender, I think I'm going to be giving this product to her. I really want to get her opinions on it and see what she thinks about it. I really enjoy it. I love the smell of it, and I hope that if you guys go out and purchase it yourself, you guys enjoy it. Let me know in the comments below if you have this product, what your opinions are, and if there's a certain product you would like to see me review in one of these self-care Wednesdays. Let me know in the comments below. I'm always looking for new products to try. Yes, a lot of these are more Korean based because that is the company that I work for. I like to show off a lot of the products from there. We have weekly product demonstration videos that we watch. We're trained on these products, and we really know what's going into these products. So if I'm willing to put it on my face and say that it's a good product on camera to you guys, I 100% believe in it, and I wouldn't put it on there if I didn't. If I wouldn't use it myself, I'm not going to promote it on my channel. If I really don't like something, I'm going to be honest about it. I'm going to tell you straight up what I think about it. I'm not going to be nice and sugarcoat it. This is a company that I work for, that I make money off of the products that I sell. That's why I tell you guys to go and follow me as your beauty advisor on the page, because we don't make money unless we get that follow. We don't make sales unless we're the first person you follow. So say you follow someone else on that site before you follow me, they're gonna get your sales, not me. So that's why I always tell you guys, go onto the site, check out my link in the description, the one that I provide, because it's gonna show you my page first. And you can fill out your profile, you can add me as your beauty advisor, and I offer a 30-minute free consultation. So as soon as you follow me and you show me that you have followed me, I do a free 30-minute consultation with you. So I mean, any skincare concerns you have, I have a whole database of skincare products, of beauty products. We have actual makeup, we have body care products. We're getting shampoo and conditioners in. They're updating the website every week with new products, and They are for any skin type. So please reach out. I know that with quarantine, a lot of people haven't been going out and doing a lot of things, but that doesn't mean that you stop caring about yourself, that you stop caring about your self-care and your skincare, because skincare is self-care, and self-care is self-love, and we need to take care of ourselves through this time, because how are we supposed to take care of someone else if we can't take care of ourselves? And one of the best ways to feel good is to wake up in the morning and look at your face and not be ashamed of what you see in the mirror. And I'm not saying that having bad skincare should make you ashamed, it's just I know that when I look at myself in the mirror and I have a nice clean face, I know that I can face the day knowing that I have no worries and that I can conquer anything that I want. So yes, this got really cheesy in the end. I just really want to help show you guys that you're worth these products. You're worth putting an investment into yourself and feeling good about yourself. I have tons of skincare and makeup, and 10 years ago I would have never touched this stuff. I was the kind of girl that didn't put a full face of makeup on until my junior prom, because I would rather be playing sports or video games or dancing, and I didn't really care so much about makeup or skincare. I really didn't get into skincare until about 5 years ago. And that was very light skincare, like, oh, I'm gonna wash my face in the shower today. So if you guys want that story, a little get ready with me, maybe I'll do my like PM skincare. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see that. But that was my review for the HaruHaru Wonder Black Rice Serum. I really enjoyed it, and it's a great travel size. I mean, compared to the toner that I reviewed last week, it's much better travel size. Thank you guys for watching my videos. I really appreciate your love and support. If you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe, tap that bell to get notified of when I post new videos. And if you enjoyed this one, give it a big thumbs up. But I appreciate you guys staying tuned. Make sure to watch next week's video, and make sure to tune in for my videos on Saturdays where I do karaoke Saturdays. And if you have a certain song you'd like to suggest, drop it in the comments below. But thank you guys so much for staying tuned. I love you all so much. Stay weird.